Today, we are going to walk through creating a pick list in Zoho Inventory. A pick list is a document assigned to a warehouse picker communicating the list of items and its quantities that need to be picked from a specific warehouse to fulfill orders. There are two methods to creating a pick list in Zoho Inventory. The first being directly through the Picklist module. So let's go down to the pick list and let's say New. Zoho will auto-generate your pick list to be the next number in line, or you can put whatever your preference is. It will give you your date, you'll select your assignee, and now your assignee is your warehouse picker. Internal notes are notes that you would like your warehouse picker to be aware of. This is a customer special request. We're going to let them know this is a rush order. We're going to add items. I know the customer is ABC supplier, and I know they have several orders, but I'm not sure which items or which sales order. I'm going to search for the customer. And as you can see, they have multiple sales orders. Let's start with order number 42. Select all items on sales order 42 and click Add Items. Now we want to generate our pick list. It's going to show you a status here and over here as yet to start. Once the warehouse is ready to start working on this pick list, they'll click In Progress and they'll save. And while it's in progress, they may tell you who is doing it. So now I know it's in progress. And if I have a question, I can go to the picker, who is named Kyle in this scenario. Once Kyle has successfully picked the items for the order, he'll go back and update the pick list. He'll pick all the items and see that the status changes to completed. Now, the second method to creating a pick list is from the sales order. Let's go to the sales order and select order 43. Now that's showing that the order is confirmed, and it still needs to be ticketed for these items. Let's go to create a pick list. We want them to know that this is a replacement order. We know that the bath mats are in stock, and we also know that the bath towels are in stock. However, the runner won't be ready until tomorrow. We're going to generate a pick list, and then we're going to put it on hold because the customer has requested all of these items ship at once. Once the bath mat runner has arrived, which is indicated in white and is reflected in the inventory, we update the pick list. You hit Yet to Start and you update your pick list. Now the warehouse will pick it up and they'll say they're grabbing the items. Once Kyle, our picker, retrieves all the items, you can see an update to your sales order and see that it has been completed. So let's move on to the next process. Now we have ABC customer and they have 2 more open sales orders, and the customer has requested that everything ships together. So let's go to our pick list and create a new one. We're going to pull it from the KDG warehouse, and we're going to add our items. Now the warehouse has gone in and changed everything to In Progress and updated it. They'd gone into the warehouse to pick these items, and they realized that the Composite D is not available at this time. They were able to access all of these items, except for Composite D, so they'll update it. Once that item is in-house and available for picking, the warehouse picker will go back and say Completed and Update. Now your total pick list will show completed. It will still reflect the 2 sales orders numbers that we pulled. And in your pick list column, it will show that all of your pick lists have been completed. I hope this helps in your Zoho inventory journey. As always, please feel free to call or email your Zoho partners at KDG with any questions.